Looking for a trip your whole family will never forget? Join us as we explore Alaska, by train, by boat, by car, and on foot, through some of the most breathtaking places on Earth. We started our venture aboard the Alaska Railroad from Fairbanks to Denali. For this 4-hour part of the tracks, we chose the adventure class cars. This is a more budget-friendly option, but still offers comfortable seating and large picture windows. Adventure class guests can travel between rail cars, whether to take advantage of the open seating in the Vista Dome cars or visit the Wilderness Cafe. We all loved the popcorn, and Brennan just couldn't get enough of that hot chocolate. This is not just a train ride. It's a window into a wild world of flowing rivers, moose grazing in the meadows, and mountains that go on forever. At Denali National Park, we swapped railroad tracks for wheels as we boarded the East Fork Transit bus. We chose this bus tour over the other options because we found it to be a more cost-effective way of touring the national park. We didn't summit Denali, but just seeing it from the bus was amazing. Here's a fox taking a snowshoe hare home to her babies. We saw lots of wildlife, including caribou, but one of the true highlights of this bus tour was the sighting of this grizzly family. After Denali, we boarded the Alaska Railroad once again, but this time we were riding in style on the Wilderness Express cars. That's the white ones you see here. This 8-hour trip to Anchorage with the full-length curved glass dome provided panoramic views of Alaska's beauty. We had our meals at the lower level full-service dining car. We also had drinks served to us at our seats. Most of us took advantage of the coffee, and I guess you can figure out what Brennan had. This train ride was definitely one of the highlights of this trip. After arriving in Anchorage, we rented a passenger van. Next stop, Seward. But this drive begins with 2 hours of spectacular views as you pass between the dramatic shorelines of Turnagain Arm and the jutting peaks of Chugach Mountains. Welcome to Seward, a charming harbor town where marine life steals the show. On this day, we took a 4-hour orca quest with Major Marine. We saw humpback whales, sea lions, puffins, orca whales, and other wildlife. Unfortunately, my video files from this tour and many other parts of this trip were somehow corrupted or deleted. Major disappointment, to say the least. Back on land, we hiked Kenai Fjords National Park. The exit glacier trail is family friendly and lets you get up close to ancient ice. There's something powerful about seeing a glacier up close. On our drive from Seward to Valdez, we enjoyed an overnight stay at Sheep Mountain Lodge. This marked the halfway point of the drive and offered some relaxing scenic views and some delicious food at their on-site restaurant. The next morning, we hit the road to Valdez on one of the most scenic drives in Alaska. Think waterfalls cascading down cliffs, bald eagles flying overhead, and roadside snacks in tiny towns. There are plenty of stops along the way, like Worthington Glacier and Bridal Veil Falls. The journey is the destination, right? Welcome to Valdez, Alaska, a quiet fishing town tucked between towering mountains and the icy blue waters of Prince William Sound. Valdez is known for some of the best halibut fishing in the world. Buddy, Steven, and Maddie were not going to miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. As for the rest of us, we were a bit intimidated about spending 12 hours on a small boat. So Cindy, Connie, Brennan, and myself spent the morning exploring Valdez on e-bikes. Smooth paths, gentle hills, and postcard views. It was the perfect way to explore the area. This reminded us of a funny movie. Can you guess which one? While we were exploring Valdez on our e-bikes, Buddy, Steven, and Maddie were out on a 12-hour halibut fishing charter. These deep, cold waters are teeming with marine life. Halibut can weigh anywhere from 20 to over 100 pounds. So when you hook one, it's a workout. Maddie had told everyone the day before that she was going to catch the biggest fish. And guess what? She did.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Look at that, Maddie.
Back at the dock, your catch gets cleaned and filleted. We had ours flash frozen so that we could take it on the flight back home. Halibut is a delicious, firm white fish, perfect for grilling, baking, or fish tacos. We left with almost 100 pounds of fish. Alaska gave us more than we expected. Space to breathe, time to connect, and memories we'll always cherish.